Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing awesome, and I have some fun stuff to show you and talk to you about. This beautifulness right here is the new Revel Chrome collection, and they were so sweet. They sent it over for me to try out, and I fell in love with this one in particular, so I'm going to do a full chrome mani. I'm so excited. I've not done a full chrome mani in what feels like forever. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna talk a little bit about it because chrome can be a little difficult sometimes, but I'm gonna give you the good, the bad, the ugly, and let you know exactly what I'm gonna do to get a full chrome mani. First things first, we're gonna need some black dip powder. Chrome shows up best and most intense over a black dip powder. So I've got Barbara here. I'm gonna put her all over all of my nails. I'm doing 2 full dips, and then I'm gonna activate. I'm not gonna use clear dip powder though. I'm gonna activate, and then I'm gonna show you how I encapsulate. So this is 2 full dips of Revel's Barbara. I'm going in now with activator. I'm only going to show you 1 coat. I do 2 coats just because I like to make double sure that my nails are ready to file. And instead of using clear dip powder, I'm going to throw a coat of gel base over all of these nails once they are fully set, and that's what I'm going to file over. You could absolutely go in with clear dip powder before activation if you want to go that route, but I like the gel base to encapsulate these days, so that's what I'm gonna go do. So here are the nails after they have been filed and shaped and buffed. Now I'm going to go in with No Cleanse Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that to the nail. I'm only going to cure this for 15 seconds, and then we're going to get into the chrome. So I cured for 15 seconds, and now we're going to get into the chrome. I'm going to show you how to do this in 2 different ways. Doesn't really matter whichever way you want to do it. I put my finger into the chrome, tap it on the nail, and then I'm going to start buffing it in with my fingertip, making sure I cover every single square inch of that nail, including the free edge. I did cap my free edge with a No Cleanse Gel Top so I could chrome the tip as well. The other way you can go about doing this, if you wanted to, you can dip your entire nail right into that chrome powder, and then same as you did the first time, buff it in with your fingertip. You could also use an eyeshadow applicator, one of those spongy ones, but I typically lose mine everywhere. I have cats, and my cats play with everything, even on my nail desk, so they don't last very long, so I'm using my fingers because I don't lose those typically. So I'm going to get this buffed in. And I'm going to cure again because we only cured the gel top for 15 seconds. You want to finish that cure because uncured product can cause gel allergies. So I'm going to cure again for a full minute, and then we're going to top coat to seal it in. But stick around because I have the easiest snowflake nail art ever. You won't want to miss it. So now that I've gotten the top coat on and cured, it's time for nail art. I'm going to use this white gel polish from Nail Addict. And the first thing I'm going to do is put down 5 dots running down the center of my nail, top to bottom. And then I'm going to put 3 dots on either side of that center dot. So it's going to be kind of like a X, not an X, a cross going across the nail. And this is so stinking easy. I actually saw this on, I think it was Kiara Sky on Instagram did it. And I was like, that is genius. Why have I never done that before? So I'm going to go ahead and get my dots on, not curing anything yet. Nothing is going to get cured until the very end. Now I'm taking my very skinny striping brush, and I'm just dragging the brush from the center down, from the center out, from the center up, and it's going to create this perfect snowflake. And you can do this as large or as small as you want. Doesn't even matter. It's going to come out good every single time. You want to make sure you're using a really skinny striping brush though. I will leave the one I'm using. It's a set, I believe it came in. It'll be down in the description box in case you need some. So once I have those lines done, I'm going to put 1 dot kind of on either side of those lines. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to take my striping brush and go from the center right through that 1 dot. And we're going to have our perfect little snowflake. Now with chrome, especially under my ring light, there's such a high shine on it. So I'm going to throw a matte top coat over the nail with the snowflake so you can see it better. So I'm going to finish up this snowflake. I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to throw on the matte top coat. So here's the finished look. I'm absolutely obsessed. This chrome powder is gorgeous. If you want to shop these chrome powders, they're on Revel's website. You can use code MARLA10 for 10% off. It is an affiliate link. I do make a small commission, so thank you in advance if you use it. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.